Are you looking for a budget EDC gift or student first time Multitool? This $20 Swiss tech packs 11 functions into your pocket. It's not a Leatherman, but that's okay. Let me show you who this actually is perfect for. And this is the packaging that the tool comes in. For unboxing experience fans, this might not be the most exciting one. On the back we can see the most important thing, an image showing all 11 tools. Let's get straight to the point and open it up. With a surgical precision, I will make a cut and use a bit of force. I will keep the bits that comes in the package for later. Let's take a first look at the tool and some of its details. Total length of close is 3.9 inches or 10 centimeters. The body has a stainless steel frame. The handle scales are made from aluminum alloy. Its width is 0.9 inches or 2.3 centimeters. A required feature for me is the pocket clip. On the other side, we can see the larger portion of the tools. Total weight is 130 grams or 4.5 ounces. Now it's time for the knife. The blade length is 3 inches or 7.5 centimeters. It's a liner lock. It looks like I didn't lock on first try, and now it did. The blade seems to lock in quite securely. We can see a half satin, half brush finish on the blade. The total length is now 6.9 inches or 17.5 centimeters. And the blade type still will be displayed on the screen. It's a drop point blade with a plain edge. Unlocking it and closing. This is the unlocking mechanism for the tools. I'll need to take a closer look and see what I can pull out. I can see that there is a ruler on both sides of the scales, measuring metric and imperial units. And I think here looks like we'll go in order. I will pull out the Phillips screwdriver, which comes out a bit hard. But it clicks in very nicely. The head can rotate. At first glance, the lock works well, and it will not come out easily. Closing is done simply, by pushing it back to the opposite direction. So now I managed to pull out the rope cutter, which also had a flat screwdriver tip at the end. Next is a traditional can opener with a wire stripper at the base. I want to take out the scissors, but something seems to be blocking them. Oh, it looks like the screwdriver is in the way. Let me move it and try again. Yeah, it looks like it will work. There's nothing else to pull out from the side. I will fold the other tools back so I can focus only on the scissors. They were a priority for me. They function quite well. I will quickly allow myself to cut a bit of the manual. Works very well. I will put the screwdriver back in. I can also fold the scissors back. Although here the folding process feels a bit dangerous. There's a chance I could cut myself, but I need to apply a bit of pressure. The tip of the scissors stuck out slightly. I think I will put them out again and try something else. This is how they should be closed. In the locked position, we fold both ends in and then unlock to store them properly. I'll remove the screwdriver again so I can insert it first. Now everything falls perfectly into place. And all that's left is to find the saw. Here it is. It's a serrated design with coarse teeth roughly 2.6 inches long. This is meant for cutting small branches, wood, maybe some plastic. For a budget tool, having a saw function is actually pretty useful. One downside I noticed is that there's no lock and open position, and it moves freely. Now let me give you the pros and cons. On the positive side, you get 11 functions in a compact package. It includes a belt clip, which is nice, and it handles light everyday tasks just fine. On the downside, this is not built for heavy duty work, and the steel quality is budget grade. This is the SwissTech 11-in-1 Multitool, a budget EDC option from AliExpress, perfect for students, office workers, or as an affordable gift. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!